Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I am Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today I have brought great opportunities for all of you. So watch the video till the end. So I won't take much of your time. So our first hiring is for trainee engineers in TETRALOGIC. And the location is Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Nellore. So they have given their overview, and what they are saying is whether you are from computer science, AI, electronics, electrical, IT, mechanical, or any other engineering stream, you have to drive, build, solve, and innovate. They want you. Okay, so you can read all the details, and total experience they need is freshers, only freshers 2025 pass outs. So there are the job skills they need from you. You should be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech graduates from any engineering stream. Only 2025 pass outs. Okay. So that's all for this. You can read other things in detail. It is a very good opportunity for all of you. So apply from here or you can apply from here. The links are given in the description box. Okay. So our next one is for Associate Analyst in Global Logic. So here is the designation Associate Analyst. Location is Hyderabad. Skills they need communication skills more from you. And function is content engineering. Experience they need from you is 0 to 1 year of experience. It is on site. Okay. So from here you will apply. Here are the requirements. A graduate is a must, any stream, and preference for English, journalism, or humanities. Any stream you can be from, and freshers are welcome to apply. So all these were the important points of this hiring. Anyone can apply, and here are the direct apply description they have given below. So you just have to apply from here and submit, or else you can click here also. That depends on you. So our next hiring is in Wipro Careers. So they are hiring for administrator, and the city is Gurugram, and anyone can apply for this. Here is the role, and the role purpose they want is the purpose of role is to resolve, maintain, and manage client software, hardware, network based on the service request raised from the end users as per defined by SLAs, ensuring client satisfaction. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.